So welcome students to today's session. So today's session is related to the costing for a single product manufacturer or service provider. So normally students, what happened when the entrepreneurs they started the business? So initially there are certain challenges for the entrepreneurs. Might be the costing challenges, they don't know, they are not familiar with the cost of their production, what they're manufacturing, or if they're a service provider, they don't know what is the actual cost of the services they are providing. So that's why there could be chances that during the initial year, they won't be able to generate a certain profit. So it is a very challenging situation. So in today's session, we will, the objective of today's session is to learn about how to calculate the cost if you are a product manufacturer, for a single product manufacturer. So there is, you people have the manuals. So the most important thing is, as far as this calculations are concerned, so we'll jump towards this product costing form. You can see over here. So this is a product costing form. Every entrepreneur, who are providing the single manufacturer, so they have to fill up this form. So in this form, we can see that there are three important things we need to get the values for. So first of all, we have the total cost per month. The second thing is number of items produced per month, and the third thing is total cost per item. So if we just took the values of 4 and 5, so we'll get the total cost per item. So in this method, by using this costing form, we can get the per unit cost of for a product we are manufacturing. So if we get that cost, so it would be easy for us that we can set the price for that product, right? So first of all, we need to get the cost of a particular item. So in this manual handouts, there is an example. We're a chair manufacturer, and the seller's name is the Comfort Chair. The business name is Comfort Chairs. So first of all, students, I will let you know as far as the total cost per month is concerned. So in this, we need to get three values. So first of all, we need the material cost per month. The second thing is total labor cost per month, and the third thing is total overhead expenses. So we'll add up all these three, so we'll get the total cost per item, right? So here is the formula over here on page number 36. So by using this formula, we can get the total cost of the total cost per month. So we need to remember three important steps as far as this product costing form is concerned. So now, if you can jump towards page number 39, the basic record book of Comfort Chairs. So you can see over here the last four columns. So the material cost is over there, that is 958. You can just write down as well. The total material cost is 958 for the month of October. The labor cost is 1900, right? It is the direct labor cost. The cost required in producing those chairs. So it's the direct labor cost. And the third thing is overhead expenses. That is 1420. So in this 1420, you can see the salaries, the salary of the owner, right? So that would be under the head of overhead expenses. That is 250 or 250, 500. Remaining 300 is for the rent, and then 250 are for the electricity, and the depreciation is 120, right? So as far as the depreciation is concerned, so you can see on the page number 38, that is the asset register. So in this register, you can see that the owner has 3 circular saw and 1 computer. So it is a basic form, through which we can calculate the depreciation, right? You can see the serial number, the year in which the asset was purchased, and the cost of the asset, and then the useful year of that particular asset, right? So the years are mentioned over here. So based on that, we calculate the depreciation per year, right? So if these are the annual depreciation, so we can divide by 12, so we can get the depreciation of per month. So over here, we just mentioned over here 120 per month depreciation of its business or for its assets. So right, students, so first of all, we get the values for total cost per month. Now we need to calculate the number of items produced per month. So to calculate this, you need to jump towards the page number 41. So now students, this is the second step, and in this step we need to calculate the items produced per month. So generally speaking, it is very easy in terms of, for example, you can just calculate the total or annual or monthly sales of that particular item, which you are selling. The second thing is the number of the remaining stock at the end of the month, and then we will subtract the number of items stock at the beginning of the month. But in this case, it is mentioned that the annual sales is, again, I will refer to page number 39, basic record book. You can see over here, the sales are, how much the sales, total sales are? 4,800, right? So these are the annual sales, and the unit prices, it is mentioned over here, the unit price is $40, right? So if we divide the monthly sales, 4,800, divide by the sale price, so you will get the number of items produced by the comfort chairs, right? So that number is 120. So in this way, we get the figures for the second step as well, which is 120. So now the step is very simple. For the total cost per item, we need to divide for the total cost per item with the number of items produced per month. So 4 divided by 5 will get the total cost per item. So can you give me the figure by calculating?
The total cost per month?
Total cost per item. First of all, we calculate the total cost per month. Then we get the values of number of items produced per month. So just divide these two things, so we'll get the total cost per month, which is 35.65. So in this way, we have filled up our product costing form, and we get the total cost per item, which is 35.65. So now the entrepreneur is in the position that he came to know about the actual cost of a